Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk. It's a beautiful, beautiful late summer, early fall day, and I'm so happy to be here with you. Let's begin by taking a moment and just appreciating where we are at this moment. And please take a breath and notice the forest that's right here. And as you breathe in, please take another moment and appreciate how fortunate we are to be able to take a moment and reflect on where we are and what is meaningful to us. And as we breathe in, let's try and take another moment and understand that there are lots and lots of opportunities in our lives to pause and to reflect. And I know you've heard me speak about this before. And I think right now it's very important for us to understand that we can pause, we can stop, and we can feel in our body, deep in our body, what an experience means to us, what an observation means to us, what a word or a comment means to us, so that for that moment we kind of shut out everything else and we just focus and see what comes. So again, as you breathe in and look at this beautiful landscape, take a moment and pause, and thank you for joining me on another nature walk talk. Bye-bye.